Hello everybody, welcome to Bitcoin Daily 9 AM Central European time on the dollar. We do the show every day, Monday to Friday, because we gotta know what's happening in Bitcoin, altcoins and everything else. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting for almost 20 minutes. I got a phone call from somebody, and the person started going into a meeting immediately. It was business related. And I was like, are you seriously doing this right now? Like, the woman didn't say anything about me. She just went into the meeting immediately. So I couldn't just hang up or say, can we do this later or anything like that. So I did this meeting on the phone. And it was really weird. And I was like, please just be done over it, you know. She really called us bad time though. She really called us bad time. So, but it was actually, it was actually a scheduled meeting, and unfortunately it wasn't scheduled between me and her, it was scheduled between her and my wife. But since my wife didn't tell me anything about it, I was like, yeah, why are you calling me, like? So it was really weird. Anyways, guys, we good. Bitcoin 71k, 658 at the top. It's still pumping 3.64% towards upside in green. Everything is going according to the plan. No problems in the space. The retail is about to pump. The retail is about to come in here. Coinski's in the chat, of course. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Hope everyone is doing well. Very, very nice. Hello, Coinskid crew. How you guys doing? I saw that Coinskid actually posted in the Telegram chat. He posted my video, which I do appreciate. Pump the numbers and stuff like that. So the big question is, what's gonna happen now, guys? What's gonna happen now? Are we gonna go to 80k, 90k? Of course we're gonna go to 18. Like, where else are we gonna go? Back down to 60k so you can buy cheap Bitcoin. There is no way. There is no way. What are we gonna do? Go back down to 60k so retail can buy? No. The only way people can get into Bitcoin now is by FOMOing, and the only place where it's gonna stop is at the top. The question is where the top is gonna be. So that's what I'm gonna try to find out. We're also gonna look a little bit at what's happening with Ethereum. Ethereum is actually keeping up pace with Bitcoin right now at 3.3%. We're gonna look a little bit at Bitcoin dominance. There's a couple of charts I wanna show off. And of course, as you saw, Bitcoin is choosing the rich today. If you haven't been living under a rock, you probably seen that guy. I chose rich today guy. I don't know if you know that, but he's big meme on crypto Twitter right now. I chose rich. I don't know what the guy's called. I'm gonna show you a picture. You're gonna immediately know the guy. And he's really famous right now. He chose rich. Like, this guy's really famous right now. I don't know if you know the guy, but he's right now very popular on YouTube, and a lot of people are making fun of the guy, but I think he is actually legitimately really smart. Not only that, he's gonna make it big time, because right now he blew up all over crypto Twitter, and right now this guy is the probably biggest meme of all of the memes. He can do literally what he wants right now. He's getting a whole bunch of cash, and he really doesn't care about you, talking, shit about him, or making clown face or anything like that. I actually like the guy. I think he's legitimately really smart when it comes to, because he wants to promote himself, advertise himself. So when it comes to advertising, he's doing the good job, and his face is actually helping him a lot. So, there is that. Let's go a little bit through the chat. I don't know if you're gonna through an entire chat, because the chat is pretty big, but let's start somewhere. Scott is the first in chat. How you doing, man? Can you check Ape for me? Mladen, yeah, we're gonna look at Ape. What's happening with Ape right now? This simulation is playing us today. Samu is in the chat. Music to start the day with, exactly. XRP Legend back in the chat. How you doing, man? Miles. Hi, yo. Summit. Feeling bullish. God, why you wanna check on Monkey, Mladen? We need Dodge Daddy. Yeah, I forgot to play Dodge Daddy, but I was thrown off the, with a curveball. So there is that. I was thrown off with a phone call. Wait, finally! Exactly. Rota and Cheese, good morning. How you doing, man? It's freedom for those who are asleep, but I want it too. God, I'm telling you, life is better if you just bullish. Like, literally, if you just are bullish, like 100% bullish, life is actually better. Literally. Like, there is no change. Life is actually good if you just become bullish. I'm too bullish, somebody slapped me. Peter is in the chat. What's up, man? How you doing? Exciting time. So glad to have fun on your channel at such a crucial time. I've been researching for 2 years, but it's my first bull run. So far, so good. Thank you. Cheers from Australia. Starlight, you found the right channel. Trust me on this one. you found the right channel. The only thing we try to figure out here is where the bottom is and where the top is. Now we are already the bottom G, and right now we have to become the top G, because those are the two G's, right? So we are already the bottom G, but we have to become the top G. So that is that. Very bullish start to live. I'm sorry about the 20 minutes wait, guys. I'm really am. Usually it's only like 10 minutes, but this time around, you know, when it comes to Bitcoin, only the chosen ones tell us. Every Monday, I become more wealthy by not selling Bitcoin. Exactly. At one point, we have to sell, guys. At one point, we have to sell. Remember that. Good morning. Sorry for the caps, etc. But I have a question. Last time Bitcoin was this high, last cycle alts were going parabolic. What's going on when alt season? No, but you know, don't think if in terms of you know 70k Bitcoin, 8k Bitcoin, anything like that. Just think in terms of where on the chart we are. And actually, when it comes to the chart, where we are actually on the chart, you'll see over here, and altcoins, actually, this is the 20k Bitcoin over here. So once we broke the Bitcoin over here, this is actually where the altcoin season started, right up here at the top at 40k Bitcoin. So it went from 20k to 40k before the altcoin season started. And we showed actually this yesterday on the live stream. We showed this, you know, we showed this a lot of time, but this is actually where the Bitcoin, altcoin season started up here. So once we start breaking towards upside, Bitcoin actually has a lot of dominance gain during this part over here. Now, it depends on how big move, you know, this was a 100% move towards upside over here. Maybe just gonna do something like 50% to 20%. I don't know how much it's gonna do, but at one point it will come to some kind of top. That will be when the altcoin season start during this rally over here. So right now, if you see on the chart where we are right now, this is the all-time high, right? So we can expect, you know, more movements towards upside, and at one point it will, you know, start doing this, you know, pullback towards downside during this, you know, during this stop over here. This is when altcoin season start, you know, at least at the way we are looking at. So, you know, we are not quite there yet. Bitcoin needs to get in the retail, because Bitcoin is what makes our altcoins pump, guys. Bitcoin goes up and everybody notices Bitcoin. They want to buy Bitcoin, but it's too high, so they buy everything else, and then altcoins pump, right? So, but for Bitcoin to get here, for retail to get here, Bitcoin needs to pump. Bitcoin needs to pump. That's very, very important, very crucial. There's a bull and bear case. Might as well flip a coin or ask the apple. No, Gort, no. There is only the bull case. There is no bear capes. Bear capes. Bear capes. There is no bear cases, guys. There is literally no bear cases. Literally no bear cases. Only bull cases. Gort, again, I'm telling you, life is better if you just choose rich. If you choose bull, life is better. You're gonna live better. It's gonna be a lot easier, healthier life, optimistic. You know, the sun is always shining regardless of the rain and the clouds. You know, understand? Life is better being bullish. Caps rule. Do you own stacks? No, I do not own stacks, but I do know some Norwegian guys, and I'm gonna shield the channel over here a bit. Members only videos, guys, on the channel. I'm gonna make one after the stream. This guy also is very, very good. Crypto Labs. Guys, if you're a Norwegian from Norway, if you're from Sweden, Danish, Iceland, anywhere where they speak, you know, Germanic languages, if you wanna learn Norwegian language, this is the channel to watch, guys. Crypto Labs. Check them out. They are really, really good Norwegian guys. They do speak in Norwegian, so, but you know, those are the guys that, you know, knows what's actually happening on a fundamental level. So, you know, they are big on stacks. Reaches an all-time high. Breaks usually makes alts go crazy, but now they slow us. No. Just wait. You're gonna see, man. You're gonna see. But this full moon is in, so we should expect a pull. There is no full moon. Like, you cannot even the moons, man. We don't have a full moon. We have a new moon. We are pumping on the new moon. Can you imagine that? Enough music, exactly. Coinski sent me. There you go. The Coinski crew is in the chat. Over here, exactly. XRP Legend. Let me just go quickly. Joel Boss, how you doing, man? Welcome to the chat. Dave Flowers. When's these things? I gotta go to work. Sorry, Dave. Life is like that. CK said to come here. I'll check it out. Havok, thanks for stopping by. Near, guys. Yeah, exactly. Near is pumping like crazy. Coinski crew Dukon being freed soon. I don't know. Is he? Don't spam. It's okay. Like, when Bitcoin pumps, like, it's okay. You can do whatever. But, you know, basically, we only have one rule on this channel for new guys. And that's don't spam. Like, please don't spam. Like, say whatever you want to say, but don't spam. Gort, TLA says bear moons only work in bear market. Exactly. There's the Coinskid. How you doing, man? Nice to have you here. Most appreciate Altcoin. Dusk. I don't know. Dusk is very old coin, so I don't know what's happening there. I can't pull. Dude, Arya, what's up, Coinski? XRP Dog, how you doing, man? The Green and Indian Passport. Gort, oh wait, what's more likely, TL being on time for the stream or 75? That's funny, man. That's funny. XRP Dog. Let's see over here. Do we have any other guys that we... Weaking Boat, Konski didn't get enough attention as a child, so he told me to tell you he sent me here. Weaking Boat, it's great to have you here, man. Nice, nice, nice. Starlight, bright. XRP will pump in 10 years to 10,000. I don't know. There's definitely a lot of talk about XRP, guys, so I wouldn't be surprised if it starts pumping very, very soon. So there is that. Jaggerman is in chat. Good morning, friends. How you doing, man? Chappy's actually doing very nice right now. By the way, Mladen, Chappy's actually breaking up. Actually, right now. Now, we could not agree before where it was breaking up, but right now, we are breaking up right now. Chappy's actually breaking towards upside. It is out of the channel, which is very good. Now, on the daily time frame up here, yesterday actually came right above that zone up here. Right now, just continuing towards upside. So it is going up right now. So technically, though, right now, we can agree the Chappy is out of the, zone and it's going towards upside, which is very, very nice. Summit, how you doing, man? Yeah, Near is definitely pumping. I did see Near, but, we've been looking at Near for a while right now. And we've been looking at the Near, since last week over here. When it started getting out of the zone over here. What is it? Technically, a couple of days ago up here when it started getting out of the zone. But right now it's definitely going, like, it looks good. It looks very, very good. Stakes will be big this year. Yeah, I think so. Wow, it's in 6.0. What? Who is BCB? Don't make fun of people, man. Sending someone CK up here to like getting off the phone, lad. Yeah, I'm sorry about it. Again, sorry about, guys. Chappist 100x. Sorry about that. Like, the phone calls, there is business meeting. I cannot do anything. I gotta wait. It's business, it's business. A lot of guys here, Jeremy, did I go through the chat? I think I went through the chat. Like, let's assume technically it's going to explode. Beats in numeral M. Okay, too much chat. I cannot go through everything. I did go through everything. Almost everything. It's good. Usually when we start the stream, I do go through all the chat, but right now it's too much. We need to start talking about what's happening, guys. We need to start what's happening. Near is up 17%. Hex dumped yesterday like 50% or something like that. We're gonna mention that a little bit. Nah, you know what? I'm just gonna mention that in the members video because not that very important, but it is important when it comes to what's happening right now. And it is right now. It is actually higher than we started the stream right now. 71. No, it's still a 71,650. 650 up here. So it is going over here towards 71,658 or something like that. It is still going towards upside. What you're gonna see on the daily time frame up here. We came on the daily on very, very close to the blue box. We did not get into blue box on the dollar. How could we know on the dollar? 69k on the dollar. Over here, try to break it. Over here, close below it. And right now, we are pumping right above that. This on the daily time frame. If you look at a weekly time frame up here, again, it is breaking towards upside. On the small time frames over here, what you're gonna see up here, let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. You'll see how nicely we came to the blue box over here. Blue box up here. We tried to break in the blue box, right out of the blue box, and right through, all of that, all the way up to 71k up here, where the resistance is. And we are breaking this towards upside. It looks actually very well. And if you remember from previous streams yesterday and the day before that, during this move towards upside over here, we said like there is a good probability it might actually move towards downside. But we've been saying that over here, we've been saying that over here, we've been saying that over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, and we've even been saying that yesterday over here just before the stream. There is a very good probability it might pull back. But if it does pull back, remember what we said, guys. It is the buy the dip opportunity. It's not gonna go to 60k or anything like that. What is gonna happen, it's gonna go either to these levels down here or these levels down here. It didn't even go towards those levels. It just had a small dump towards downside and right back again. Our theory was this move or just this move towards upside, one of these three moves up here. But if the dip does happen, guys, it is the buy the dip opportunity, and right now we are having that. Now the dip is done, guys. You either bought or you did not buy. That's up to you. What can you do? But it is already over, guys. It is already over. Now, not only that, when we did this first move up to 70k, This is 70k. We already said that, you know, it's pretty much done, right? Because once you tap the 70k and you go above the 70k, you already cleared that level. And the reason you clear that level because you clear all of the, you know, sell orders. Whatever sell orders that are 70k, they were already cleared. And especially they were cleared on futures markets like Bybit futures, you know, Binance, Qcoin, CME futures market. All of these exchanges, futures and derivatives exchanges, they went above 70k. That was 70.3k or something like that, right? But it was really, really important because that already cleared the 70k level and we can actually pump further. So there was no doubt in our mind that we're gonna continue towards upside. It does look very, very good, guys. It does look not very good, exceptionally good right now. And the next target is not before, you know, something like 85k levels, guys. Right now we are going through the last blue box. This was the first, the second, the third blue box over here. Right now we're going through the last box up here, and the next target is around 80-85 levels. 80 being significant psychological level, but 85 being this, you know, resistance level up here, this white line towards upside. So there is no doubt in my mind this is just gonna continue pumping. Even before the halving, that we might see some kind of 80-85k levels right now. It does look good. Now, if something does happen that's a little bit bad, you know, I'll tell you, but you know, we are not quite there just right now. Bitcoin dominance is not dumping down. Unfortunately, it's not dumping down. And we talked about this yesterday as well, that over here, this blue box, that was my wake-up clock. Waking up at, you know, 10:30 p.m. a.m. This blue box up here, this is a resistance box up here. We are looking still for the move towards downside. Now, it did play differently last time. When Bitcoin broke 20k, it was down here. And sorry, when Bitcoin broke 20k, it was up here, and then it went to 40k over here. So it had this pump up here. Let me see that if that was correct, because CUSDT. Let me see if that is correct over here. Where is the breakout up here? This is the breakout. Yeah, so that's the breakout, and the top up here is the top over there. There we go. So Bitcoin did this move. So this is Bitcoin dominance. So it's not gonna, we can move this over here. So this is Bitcoin dominant chart. And last time, I'm saying last time because we don't have, you know, other parts up here. I mean, technically we can actually analyze these parts up here as well. Over here, September, October, up here, especially over here, can we analyze it? We're gonna try to analyze this in a second over here. But this is what happened last time, right? When Bitcoin broke to all-time high, the dominance actually spiked towards upside before actually pulling towards downside. This over here is the part where we have the altcoin season. This is what we are expecting. But right now, there is good probability that from, you know, 70k to 80-90k, we might get this nice spike up here towards upside. Now, Benjamin Cohen might be right. Benjamin Cohen might be right. We might get to 60%, you know, dominance up here, but you know, it's pretty much over. Like, we are just stepping this last move. You remember what we were down when we were down at 20k, even though we moved down to 15k, and you know, we've been talking about this a lot before, even though, you know, we are down at 15k, it's pretty much over, right? Yes, we went down a little bit more after 20k, but it was pretty much over. The same thing applies right now. We are at the top when it comes to Bitcoin dominance, but you know, it's pretty much, it can go a little bit more high. I technically can, but it's pretty much over, guys. It's pretty much over. The dominance is pretty much over. Right now, it's just like, you know, what it's gonna, you know, pump a little bit up, or what it's gonna do, like, but it's pretty much over, right? Now, since we already said that, let's just see over here how this actually played out. And let's go, can we go to the daily time frame over here? Yes, we can go to the daily time frame. So let's see up here how this when this alt season actually start up here, because it was a little bit different in 2016 just before the previous all-time high. Let's go and add BTC USDT over here on the chart. And now we don't have the, let's BTC USDT, not Binance, Qcoin, I think has long, no, Qcoin. Why did these BTC USDT, let's add Bitfinex. There we go. There we go. So over here, so the all-time high came right over here, and it's already after the all-time high we started dumping down when it comes to dominance, right? Now it's a little bit different over here. But you know, technically it started going up here at when Bitcoin was at 400. When it came up to the all-time high up here, it started dropping like crazy. The dominant, you know, it went up here a little bit towards the upside up here, and then we broke that over here, definitely, and it just started crashing. But it started, you know, in 2016 the dominance started going down a lot quicker, and over here in 2020 21 up here, once we broke the 20k, we had to go all the way up to, you know, 40k before this dominance started crashing towards the downside. But right now, I don't know, it does seem, you know, toppish out over here already, so I don't know if we need to go even higher towards upside, but it does look like, you know, this over here is the top up here, it needs to pull back. But can it do another move towards upside? It can, but it's pretty much over, guys, it's pretty much over. We are already following a lot of altcoins, and we are already seeing that altcoins are actually doing very well. Now you might not notice it because, you know, for whatever reason you are looking at some kind of charts, but altcoins are getting ready for these big moves up here, and a lot of altcoins are outside of these channels already, and they're actually looking exceptionally well. Like over here, Ethereum Classic is actually looking like it's just gonna go right now. It does look very, very strong. So there is a lot of coins right now that are looking very, very strong, guys. Altcoin season is coming, retail is coming, everything looks nice, guys, everything looks nice. Ethereum is up 3.5%, Bitcoin is up 4.4% right now, all-time high again. Every single day is the all-time high day, guys. Every single day is the all-time high day, and right now it's pumping towards the upside. So right now Bitcoin is at 71.7, Ethereum is 3.5% up, Bitcoin is 4% up. Let's look at Ethereum, ETC, BTC over here chart, and it's still inside this wedge down. It's still not outside yet. And what we are waiting when it comes to altcoin season and Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin is this move over here. That move has not happened yet, guys. That move has not happened yet. Yeah, but you know, it's good thing that we closed this weekly candle inside this falling wedge, which is actually very good. This is actually not falling wedge, it's actually a channel. But you know, we like to look at a falling wedge up here. And right now it's we are still waiting for this move outside of zone. We are still not having any kind of altcoin season, guys, but it's very, very soon. It's very, very soon. So this looks actually very, very good. You know, and a lot of people think, you know, they are still waiting for alt season, but it's not about waiting for alt season, guys. The alt season is the alts are already going. Like everything is going towards upside. You might not notice it, you know, 2-3%. Nobody notices 2-3%, right? But you know, by the time you start noticing, because right now a lot of people notice, you know, near and whichever coin is pumping like 200%, right? They're noticing these moves, but we follow the charts that people, you know, altcoins that people are not actually following, and everything looks so good, guys. I mean, there are like 2 coins that don't look good, maybe 3, but everything looks good, guys. Everything literally looks very, very good. I know there is a lot of talk on crypto Twitter because I'm there, and there's talk that, you know, Bitcoin ETFs are gonna, you know, take, you know, this time is different. Bitcoin is gonna go to the moon, to 100k, 200k, whatever. And you know, altcoins are dead. Bitcoin is gonna go through the roof, and altcoins will never pump ever again. That kind of stuff, right? So you were sitting there like, maybe I should buy Bitcoin. Maybe I should switch this, you know, altcoin that I've been holding for 2 years into Bitcoin. Maybe I should do that. And then you do that, and then Bitcoin is at top, and you know, altcoin starts pumping. It is really hard right now hodling, because hodling right now means that you have to wait in some kind of shitcoin, you know, for your coin to pump while everything else is pumping. But you know, the time will come. The time comes. Maybe a coin won't pump, but you know, I mean, there is a slight chance some of the coins won't pump, but most coins will pump, guys. Most coins will pump. So this looks actually very, very nice. This looks very, very nice. Now I came a little bit out of the groove. What did I want to talk about? Yes, yesterday I was watching Jordan Cameron, because we have been looking at XRP chart. Now XRP right now is up 3% up here. It looks like it wants to go towards the upside, so there is that. But Jordan Cameron had actually a very nice chart yesterday. Bitcoin XRP, XRP Bitcoin chart, and he concluded that Bitcoin will pump once we hit these bottoms down here versus Bitcoin. So I think he might be onto something there, because we haven't been following a lot of these, you know, altcoin versus Bitcoin charts. But you'll see that down these bottoms over here, And after every one of these bottoms, we had a big pump. Even this bottom over here, we had a big pump. And right now, the thing that is waiting for up here is this move up here. Now, the important thing about this chart is that these pumps are on the, what are they? These are on the weekly time frame. So it can continue for a couple of weeks towards the upside, but they go very, very fast. I mean, they go like this, bump and then bleed, bump and then bleed, bump and then bleed, right? So every single time they go bump and bleed, and this is very important because you don't have a lot of time once it starts bumping, okay? So when it goes up here, it's gonna go very, very fast towards the upside like it always does, right? And then after that, it's just gonna bleed versus Bitcoin. I'm just saying that. But I think it was an interesting chart when it comes to XRP. And, you know, because a lot of people are waiting. When is XRP gonna pump, man? When is XRP gonna pump? So maybe, just maybe very, very soon, because XRP versus Bitcoin is doing this last move towards downside. So it is getting very, very close for the pump. It is getting very, very close for pump. Because if you just look at this chart over here, it will look like we are just channeling forever over here. Our XRP is, so you know, the figuring out when the move is gonna come, it's kind of, you know, difficult when you're just channeling, you know, sideways, but it is getting close. But I do have seen that a lot of people are talking about XRP. Again, I'm not the biggest fan of XRP, but you know, each to his own. You do your analysis, I'll do mine, and we'll see how it plays out. XRP. Why are you doing XRP analysis, bro? Because a lot of people are talking about, literally everybody is mentioning XRP right now. Didn't you notice that Crypto talked about XRP today? Jordan Cameron talked about XRP yesterday. CoinSkid is mentioning XRP every day. Like Crypto Twitter, like every third post is XRP. That's why I'm mentioning XRP, like, you know. So there is that. Let me see if there is some alt season soon. Just keep an eye at CKR and EMA for the top of Bitcoin. Maybe that, but I think retail thing is nice. So CoinSkid has this page with, you know, CoinSkid. I don't know where your page is, man. Maybe this is your page. Where is this? This is CoinSkid's page, but he has this. Let me just pick a video over here. Where are your links, man? Use the chart, use the chart. I don't know. Where is your link, man? Indicator signals, no. What? You don't have a link? I think it's on your Twitter, man. Twitter CoinSkid. I don't know. Like, you gotta make it easier to find your stuff, man. X.com CoinSkid. I can't even find your. Do you have? There is it. Patreon. No, this is Patreon. 3 more links. Telegram, Twitter, Moonshots, YouTube, CoinSkid, Twitter. There it is. This is the Twitter. And on Twitter you have these links things. There you go. Links things. And then LinkedIn you have indicator social. Don't you have a page? I don't know where it is, man. I found it yesterday. I can just post it from. You have to make it easier for people to find stuff, man. So over here on there we go. He has these indicators on his page. Anyways, you guys can check it out. But he posted this indicator called CKR. Let me just move. Just moved over here. He posted this indicator called CKR, and it's at 71, right? And I thought that was interesting. I checked it out, and it's just, you know, a bunch of indicators, you know, mixed into one, and then you get this indicator up here. See here, even here, XRP, right? But he has another indicator that's, I think, is a lot more important, and that indicator is the retail. So this is the indicator right now. Last time he posted it was a 43. The retail is not here yet, guys, but retail will come very, very soon, because as soon as right now Bitcoin is at all-time high, retail did already notice us below 1670k, and right now retail is gonna start forming like crazy into the market. That means altcoins pumping. Why? Because you gotta understand something about retail, guys. Retail don't like to buy very expensive stuff, number one, right? So they look at Bitcoin's 90k, like, can it go to 200k? Maybe it can, but that's 2x. Like, what can I get like 100x on right now? You know, they're late to the party, but they still want 100x. So what do I buy? They buy any kind of altcoin that has, you know, 0.000000002, you know, price, Why? Because it has a lot of zeros, and if it goes to $1, they're gonna be rich. I think it's funny, but it's true. Funny but true. Funny but very, very true. So there is that. So that is how retail actually buys. But retail's coming, guys. Retail's coming, and everything looks nice and dandy. Everything looks nice and dandy. Is there anything less? Let me look at Bitcoin over here. There is another chart that I want to post, but I don't think I want to post it right now. So all I'm gonna say is like, keep being subscribed, because it is good right now. I mean, we are 71K. Bitcoin is going to all-time high. Why should I ruin the party by posting some kind of bearish charts? Why should I do that? I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna wait, you know, until we get, you know, come to, you know, ending times, and then, you know, I may show the chart before, but, you know, I don't want to do it right now, because I thought I might actually do it, but I don't think it's time right now. I don't want to ruin the mood. You know, I don't want to be that guy. I don't want to be that guy. And where is it over here? So it looks good. What is pumping right now? So the big question is, you know, what is happening with meme coins? And meme coins are just doing this zigzag pattern up here at the top. Unfortunately, guys, meme coins might have come to some kind of top. They are not at the top, guys. Meme coins are definitely 100% are not at the top. But unfortunately, they are going what we call a consolidation period. And this consolidation period can take a little while. I mean, we never know how long, but, you know, we look at the charts and wait for the breakout and stuff like that. We think that the meme coins might have come to some kind of topish signals, right? They're not tops, guys. They're definitely not tops. Once retail gets here, I mean, these meme coins are gonna start pumping again. Yes, there is this thing. There is this. So when it comes to meme coins, there is this new thing right now that's really, really popular, and I was thinking about that, and it's what's called Warren. Horan, I don't know, what's this girl called? Elizabeth Horan, right? So she pumped a lot, right? And right now meme coins based on these stupid names are really, really popular right now. So Elizabeth Horan, this doesn't even want to update. So Elizabeth Horan right now did a huge big move. It might actually do another move towards upside, but Elizabeth Horan is big time. Joe Biden is big time, right? And I'm gonna tell you something, you know, secret how these meme coins work, because right now, you know, Joe Biden and Warren went. So somebody right now made something called Vitalik. Where is Vitalik? Up here. It should pop up, and is okay. Vitalik, right? Vitalik Buterin, right? I mean, these stupid names, right? These are the ones that are pumping right now, guys. Meme coins, when it comes to meme coins, you have segments, you have segments in meme coin seasons, just the way like you have in a crypto general. You got AI coins, meme coins, you got a layer 1 coins, you got you know, DeFi coins and stuff like that. In memes there are also, you know, certain parts coin, but they are based on the name of the coin, right? So sometimes it's like, you know, Doge version 2, Shiba version 2, you know, Floki version 3.0, like these versions, right? And so everything with a version pumps. But right now, the big moves are these stupid names like Vitalik Buterin, Elizabeth Horan, Joe Biden, Trump. I don't know. There was this. Who was this number one up here on the chart just a second ago? I don't know. This Trump, Floki, Pork, Vitalik. Upside. I don't know. Doesn't matter. But you know, stupid names is the big thing in memes right now. So you know. But just remember, this is a shitcoin casino. So, you know, what goes up goes down very, very fast, like the zero rug pulls all the time. I don't think you guys understand how fast this thing rug pull. Like, it goes up, everything looks smooth and nice, and it just rug pulls immediately after that. And there is a lot of honeypots as well, so don't buy just anything. By the way, not financial, as you do you, I do me, you do your money, I do my money. But there is a lot of what's called honeypots, and honeypots is usually where you buy the coin, but you cannot sell the coin, either because the tax is high, because there is a trading cooldown, or there is some other mechanism inside the coin that makes you not being able to sell, or they can just take your coins. So there is a lot of these honeypots where they get people to buy some coins because the chart is going straight towards the moon. They take up all your coins and then they sell. So there is no selling, so there is only buying, right? Of course, it's going to go to the moon if you cannot sell. So a lot of scams in here, a lot of rug pulls, a lot of everything. But right now, when it comes to, you know, meme coins, These coins are doing well. Joe Biden, Elizabeth Horan, Vitalik Buterin, Donald Trump, Donald Trump. I think it's called Trump. I think it's Donald Trump right now, something like Trump. I think it's Trump. Yeah, Donald Trump. Like these stupid names. These are very, very popular right now. And they are very, very popular right now. And they're doing well. So, you know. Just so you know, guys. Just so you know. Big time is big time. Yeah, but big time doesn't have a stupid name. Yes, correct. Gains with XRP are bad, but this precise moment, what if the price pumps? Is then still a shitcoin? How can it be shitcoin when it's deflationary? With 3-second settlements? I don't know. You are mistaking, like, the important part in the bear markets are fundamentals. But when stuff pumps, like, does it have a catchy name? Does it have a nice picture? That's the important stuff. Chappies has 12 million market cap and it's AI chat and earn. They are going to change the way we are engaging today. Chappie is doing well. Again, not financial advice, but you know, Chappie is breaking up today. Chappie's actually managed to close above my resistance up here yesterday. Chappie's is out of the zone. Chappie is good. Chappie's looks nice. Crow is pumping. Holding XRP as well. Got about 10k XRP coins. Damn. Guys, how you doing, by the way? Doing good? I'm just looking at chats to see, because there is a lot of chats. I don't know what to go through. Irrelevant lean analysis, get your crow. Benji, das, Lena. Crow, Ada. To be honest, XRP. Bro, I'm tired of seeing new coins out of nowhere every day. But this is the meme season. It's new coins are, you know, new coins are meme coins. Like Elon Musk comes out and says stupid stuff like, you know, I'm playing a game called whatever, and you will see immediately less than 5 minutes after that there will be 10 new coins based on that game he is playing. Meme coins. Why? Because it's so stupidly easy to make a meme coin. You take a contract, you change the name, you deploy the contract. You don't have to create a coin. It's already made. Like, there is thousands of versions of meme contracts. You just take one, you change the name, and you redeploy that with a new name. That's it. That's how you make a new coin. So it's stupidly easy. Stupidly easy. The only thing that defines whether the coin is gonna pump or not is whether it is in the segment of, you know, coins that are right now very heated. And right now these stupid names, Donald Trump, Joe Biden, Elizabeth Warren, Vitalik Buterin, you know, these stupid names, those are in fire right now. So anything that has this stupid name is gonna pump. There is that. Trust me, bro. Exactly. Guys, I gotta go and do the altcoin daily. If you don't know, we do have these members only videos on the channel. We got a TF fans club. You're not a part of TF. If you just seen, you know, the green names in the chat, we got a TF fans club community. We do the altcoin videos every day because it's bull market, so we gotta know what's what's pumping, what's dumping, what's gonna go, what's ready, what's not ready. Yeah, right. So we gotta do these videos every single day. You're welcome to join us. You're welcome also to join our public channel. We also got a public channel. Where is it? Up here somewhere. I don't have the public channel up here. We also got a public channel, so you're welcome to join that as well. It's open for everybody. It's free Telegram channel, so you know, do join us. And I hope everybody's doing well, guys. I hope everybody's doing well, and thank you for stopping by. Do subscribe and hit the like button on the way out. Bitcoin is just starting. 80k is the next. Everything looks good. Altcoin looks even better. And yeah, there's that. Any last questions before I go? Flock is up 4%, but it's not that much. Gala did pump, so Gala is right now pulling back. But I think Gala is right now just having a pullback towards downside up here a little bit, because you can see there is no wick on the top side. Good watching you, put me in a good mood for the day. Thomas, that's good, that's good. Ask the 8-ball. I don't have the link to the 8-ball, man. No questions, have a great day. Crew, we're not gonna do altcoins analysis, but you know, any other questions? Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. Tomorrow morning, Bitcoin Daily. Right now, after the show, there will be altcoin video on the channel, so you're welcome to check that out. Another live stream later today when we hit, you know, 200K. So there is that. Keep smashing, brother. Thank you guys for coming. I'm out. Where is my outro? Again, check out the our community. You're not gonna regret it, man. You're not gonna regret it. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.